I chose Waterloo because I was really interested in having a university degree. I wanted a program that mixed the university degree part and the flight training so I could do it all at the same time. As a representative of both Sunwing and the University of Waterloo, I want to equip, empower, and encourage the next generation of students to come into this job.
Attracting, educating, and retaining the next generation of aviation professionals is a critical priority. The number of pilots, maintenance engineers, dispatchers, and everybody who supports the aviation industry is in incredible demand, and we're seeing that reflected in our aviation programs at Waterloo. Our admissions are increasing year on year.
I think teaching and mentorship is one of the biggest sort of qualities that we have in the aviation program. We have dedicated faculty and staff that teach beyond just the basic flight training needs. These are skills that are needed when you're flying for corporate missions or airlines or the military, and I think it's something that Waterloo really does prepare you for and does have a focus on as well.